In this video, I'm going to show you how to use FXCM Trading Station. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to fxcm.com, and then over here, you want to either open a real account, or you can first try a demo account if you want to. Now, either way, just go ahead and click on Open Account or Try Demo, and then you're going to have to basically create your account over here, okay? So this is very easy. It's only going to take a few minutes, and it's going to basically guide you all the way through it, no matter which account you choose to create. Now, after you do that, and after you actually have your account ready, what you're going to have to do to actually start using the trading station, whenever you create your account, you will receive your login credentials, so they will be sent to your email and you'll receive them on your screen as well. So the username and password, go to login up top right, and click on Trading Station over here to go ahead and start using the Trading Station. And for the first time you do this, it's going to basically require your login credentials, your username or account number, and then the password as well. So just type those two in there, and then over here, you are now inside their Trading Station. On their trading station, this is actually very easy to navigate. You can first go ahead and over here on the left hand side, you can open up these kind of discover and watch list tabs over here. So you can go ahead and discover different things you can trade. You can go ahead and set different things on your watch list. You can see the newer things over here, the hot things that people are currently trading, and over here the popular ones as well. Now on the portfolio, you can basically see your open positions, your orders, your closed positions, and everything regarding those pretty much. Here we have the tools, and then inside tools, you can go ahead and use any of these tools to basically help you navigate the market, such as the technical analyzer, the stock screener, ideas, economic insights, etc. And here at the bottom, you also have the charts. You can go ahead and basically do some charting over here. You can full screen it, and then on here, you can basically go ahead and draw on different things and do technical analysis that way, put on indicators, you can change the candles, etc. Okay, so this is how you can do it. And of course, you can also change the symbols. So for example, I'm going to put that into Bitcoin, and there we go. This is completely up to you. You can do whatever you want on here. Now, of course, the most time likely you're going to be spending on the trading section. So if you go to trading over here, you first have to find the thing you would like to trade. I'm just going to go ahead and search for Bitcoin again, and there we go. I'm going to add on the Bitcoin, and it's been added to my watch list, and now I can click on it as well to actually see it over here and start trading it. Now here you'll be able to see how much equity you have, your margin, your maintenance margin, and then your P&L as well. And then over here on the right, you can go ahead and start trading. You can buy or sell. You have to basically select if you want either a market or entry order. So here you can go ahead and basically select which one you want. You can then see the summary, and then you can then go ahead and basically buy whenever you want. Okay, so for example, I'm going to, let's say, buy one contract over here, and I'm going to click on buy. And there we go, order has been executed successfully. I'm going to click on close, and if I now go to my portfolio over here, I'll be able to see the open positions, and you can also see these over here under open positions. Now below the charts, you can also see the orders, the closed positions, and the news as well. So if you want to read these, you are free to actually do that as well. And then you can just go ahead and of course do some technical analysis on here as well. You can also go here and basically close down different charts you're trading, and then up top, if you want to, you can click on the top right, and here you can access the settings, the help page, and you can also basically exit this demo tool. Now that's pretty much how you use the trading station. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.